Hello YouTube, AJ here again with another Linux distro review. Today's review is Bodhi Linux 2.3.0. Was just released yesterday according to distrowatch.com. Jeff Hoogland has announced the release of Bodhi Linux 2.3.0, a new version of the Ubuntu-based distribution with the latest Enlightenment window manager. After almost exactly 3 months since our Bodhi 2.2.0 release, the Bodhi team and I are happy to announce the next update release for the 2.x.y series, Bodhi Linux 2.3.0. Again, because this is a minor update release, people who are already using our 2.x.y branch can simply upgrade to this release via their package manager. As with our 2.2.0 release, there are 3 disk downloads for this version: 32-bit featuring a current PAE enabled kernel, 32-bit featuring a non-PAE kernel with older hardware support, 64-bit featuring a kernel, featuring a current kernel. Software-wise, we will see the following updates with this release: Lennox kernel 3.8, Enlightenment 0.17.1, Bodhi 0.4.9, Terminology 0.3.0, Access System Tool, Ubiquity 2.12. Here's the full release announcement and screenshots, which if you go to distrowatch.com and click on the Bodhi branch of that site, you'll be able to read those. If we pop over to the Bodhi Linux website, what is Bodhi Linux and why do you need it? Bodhi Linux is a Linux distribution leveraging the fast, customizable, and beautiful Enlightenment desktop. Enlightenment, coupled with a minimal set of utilities such as a browser, text editor, and package management tools, form the solid foundation of Bodhi Linux. Minimalism is one of Bodhi Linux's 2 core ideals. The combination of Enlightenment and the core utilities included in the default Bodhi Linux install lead to exceptional speed and low system requirements, while providing a beautiful, usable, and customizable desktop experience. User choice is another important feature embodied in Bodhi Linux. By only including a small set of default utilities, the user is free to make Bodhi Linux their operating system. Users can install applications from our extremely easy to use App Center, apt-get, or Synaptic to suit their individual needs. You make the decision. If you're the kind of person that wants to make your own choices, this might be the distribution for you. System requirements. The minimum requirements to run Bodhi Linux are only 300 plus megahertz CPU, 128 megabytes of RAM, and 2.5 gigabytes of hard drive space. Release cycle. Bodhi Linux is a semi-rolling release. This means that we follow the Ubuntu long-term support release cycle for the core of our distribution, but in between these major releases, we backport software to our. Here we have Bodhi Linux up and running, with my dog and cat running around fighting each other in the background, but that's okay. As you can see, the desktop is very clean. It has no icons on it. Up in the top right hand corner we have our logout standby power button, our volume control, and our network connection. Just below that is our virtual desktops that we can switch to. Under places, we have our file system, and you notice that we're only using 29% of a 6.9 gigabyte virtual hard drive. So it's a very small footprint that the OS takes up. I haven't installed anything else onto the system. At the very bottom we have launcher, and Midori is already pre-installed into that launcher. When we bring Midori up, we come to a quick start guide that Bodhi Linux has included with their installation, which is very nice, especially for people just coming to Lennox. Close that. We also get a clock, and if we left click anywhere on the screen, we get our menu and applications, and under accessories we have the archive manager, leaf pad. Under preferences we get access, system tools, login configuration, network connections, synaptic package manager, which you can use to install other packages. Internet, we have Midori and Midori private browsing, and under system tools we have the enlightenment file manager and terminology. Under navigate we have home, desktop, favorites, and root. You can see that only root has subfolders in there. Run everything, take a screenshot, desktop, change gadgets, virtual screens, shelves, show and hide all windows. Windows, under Bodhi Linux we have About, Bodhi, quick start and add software as well as artwork. Enlightenment, About and About theme, restart and exit. Under settings we have the settings panel, modes, presentation and offline, gadgets, modules, shelves, theme, which I have chosen the Egypt theme, wallpaper, and under system we have lock, logout, suspend, hibernate, reboot, and power off. And let's just pop into wallpaper for a moment, and we'll go into the system wallpaper, and you can see that it's come with a lot of different wallpapers of varying styles. And you can just click on one and OK, and voila, it changes. So Bodhi Linux is a very fast, very lightweight system that is very intuitive. My father-in-law has used Bodhi for quite some time and has enjoyed it. He's used it on older hardware that he owns. So if you're looking to revive an old computer or laptop, Bodhi may be the answer for you. Or if you're just looking for a very lightweight system that is snappy and leaves a small footprint on your hard drive and uses minimal resources, Bodhi is also a great option. I'll leave a link down below for the Bodhi website. As well, you could also look up Bodhi at distrowatch.com, and I'll also leave that link in the description box below. Thank you very much guys for watching. Please hit that like button or subscribe to my channel and leave a comment below. Thank you very much and have a great day.